guys, I'm not sure how to connect with.com with Telegram for alerts, but before I continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more tutorials. Now let me do make.com account. I think let's say practical scenarios. Click open scenario builder to start your scenario, and here just now open all the plus the button here on the middle page and type in for here search for Telegram and choose your event. For example, you want to generate alert here, so search for alert and your file document page, sticker video, message caption, and choose for list administrators. So let's choose for example Tito media message. So this is Telegram event that pivots to generate a media message. You can choose also to take alert event in Telegram. Just click on create connection and add your token and click on save. You should be good to go here. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.